I am here to do an unboxing of Beauty Test Tube. Okay, I'm back. I took everything out of the box. I do have the card, which I like that there's a QR code, but sometimes it's not so easy to download the booklet, which I did manage to download after several tries. Okay, so I'm going to start in the back. This Jade Tool by Daily Concepts. I already have one of these, but this feels very heavy. I did give the other jade one that I had to my daughter, and I kept a rose quartz one. I might keep this because jade is supposed to be lucky, so I think I might keep that. Yeah, I am Irish, and so as a matter of fact, I did my DNA, and I am 79% Irish. So anyway, that's Irish for you. Then there's this Diode Spray Intimate spray. It's basically for your private parts. I don't really have an odor problem right now there, so, but I don't know. It was developed with gynecologists, so it's supposedly not something that's going to hurt you. Next thing is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Now this is 5 treatments. Each one is 2 foil packets. One is the actual treatment. The other one I think is a neutralizer. I'm definitely interested in trying this. So stay tuned for that. Then there is an oil, and this is Strawberry Booster Facial Oil. I don't know very much about this. Let me see what it says in the catalog. And this just sells for $10. I can't believe it's only $10. But anyway, rich, nourishing facial oil. Let me hold it up. Rich, nourishing facial oil made entirely from cold-pressed strawberry that can be added to any part of your skincare routine. Okay, well, maybe we'll give that a try, or maybe I'll give it away. So far the winner is this thing. Then there is the Saints and Sinners. Ooh, it's got a dent in the can. Saints and Sinners dry shampoo. I've never heard of this brand. Let me know if you have. Let me see what this goes for. $30. It's a full size, and if it's anywhere near as good as I'm hoping it will be, it'll come in very handy when I'm trapped in a wheelchair down here for a month. Okay, so then there is an eye treatment from Yes To. I have so many eye treatments and stuff. I just don't know that I don't know. I have to think about that because it does have aloe in it, and I am a real fan of aloe. Then there's this Mood Lip Balm. Definitely will come in handy. I don't have any current lip balms that are in a tube like this. So yeah, this will come in very handy. Then there are these 2 DNA masks. And I believe they are sheet masks. Yes, they are. So these are 2 sheet masks by MediHeal. I don't know who that is, what company that is, or whether they're actually cruelty-free or not, but I am always happy to get masks. Then there is this thing which makes me very curious. And I'm going to go to the page where it is, and this apparently goes for $52. This, I was not happy when I opened this box to look at it, to preview it, but honestly, this and the Dr. Dennis Gross and the dry shampoo kind of rescued the box for me. So anyway, this is B vitamins and minerals that your body needs for optimal cellular energy. Well, I think it might be good. I'm going to give these a try. Yeah. Lipospheric. It's supposed to help you with your fat stuff too, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to tell you more about that. And of course, I already told you about the DNA mask. Now, there is one thing that they gave us. I'm going to pull it up on here. Yeah. Let me enlarge it so you can really see. Facial Gym. 30-day class pass to Face Gym. And this goes for $75. I don't want this. I think this is mumbo jumbo. I don't think this works. And so I will never sign on to this. So anyway, it's hit or miss. This is the September box, August, September, or September, October. And so I can't remember if this was my Mother's Day present or if it was birthday. So I'll have to look it up, but I do believe that this box is going to go bye-bye. I am not going to be resubscribing to this, and I just have to make sure that I get in touch with whoever manages the subscriptions to not automatically re-up me. So anyway, it's really like mixed bag here, and so yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Did you get the same things I got? If you're a member, you know, I just don't know. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.